All right, I'm at job number 21736. This is the CCS building in Bothell for Stephen C. Gray and Associates. You probably can't see this map very well, but this CCS building 3700 has an entrance right here, and you'll see that there's some outlining in red that goes over. This outlining in red is what the scope of work is for striping this whole building. The original job we did was job 11555, and it has a copy of the striping that we did in here for area 1. That area 1, you can see, has the quantities right there. This also includes 9 ADA stalls to restripe. It also has an area 2 striping and an area 3 striping, area 4 striping with quantities. So I got into the shaded area, and I'm going to provide this map on Workman's and in Google Drive. It's outlined in blue right here. Okay, and you can see how there's striping to do in this section. So it says handicap parking 1 through 9 is going to be right in front of the building. And then you've got what's called visitor stenciling. So we need some 8-inch visitor stencils in 6 through 12 there. So that's 7 stencils there. Then you've got 1 through 5 there, more visitor stencils. And then you've got stalls 13 through 25, which also need to be visitor stencils. So I'm looking at an area where there's a lot of moss collection on the stalls, some of the shaded areas. So there's going to need to be a day of power washing in here at this 3700 building. If I go over to the front of the building, you can see everything else looks pretty good. It's pretty dry. I mean, it's in decent shape, but you know, everything's all faded in here. So, and then you got around the curbing where we need to paint the curb. It's, you know, got moss growing around the red curb. So my request to you is to put this bid together as a restripe based off of that job number I gave. And then also put in those visitor stencils in the locations that are on that map, which will be saved to Google Drive. And then do a bid option for the power washing. Okay, so do a bid option for 1 day of power washing on the curbs, because I don't think this is a total requirement that needs to happen, the power washing, but I at least want to be able to provide it in case they do say they want to have power washing done. All right, and I'm going to send it in my email that just says, you know, some of these areas like this need to be cleaned. All right, so please put that restripe together and a bid option for 1 day of power washing. Thank you.